Hey there, fruit lovers. Are you ready to shed some pounds this summer while indulging in the most delicious, refreshing fruits of the season? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the best summer fruits for effective and delicious weight loss in 2024. These fruits are not only packed with flavor but also loaded with nutrients that can help you achieve your weight loss goals without sacrificing taste. So, grab your sun hat, and let's get started. Watermelon, the hydration hero. First up, we have the hydration hero of summer, watermelon. Did you know that watermelon is over 90% water? That means it's not only incredibly refreshing but also super low in calories. And the best part? Watermelon is rich in vitamins A and C, and it contains a compound called citrulline that may aid in reducing muscle soreness, perfect for those summer workouts. Watermelon nutritional benefit: it's high in water content, low in calories, rich in vitamins A and C, contains citrulline. Strawberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Next on our list are these vibrant little gems, strawberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and boost metabolism. Plus, strawberries are high in fiber, which helps keep you full longer and supports healthy digestion, a key factor in weight management. Strawberry nutritional benefit: it's rich in antioxidants, it's high in fiber, low in calories, boosts metabolism. Peaches, the sweet and satisfying treat. Now, who doesn't love a juicy peach in the summer? Peaches are a sweet and satisfying treat that can curb your sugar cravings without piling on the calories. Packed with vitamins A and C, peaches also provide dietary fiber, which is essential for keeping you full and satisfied between meals. Peach nutritional benefit: sweet and low calorie, high in vitamins A and C, provides dietary fiber, curbs sugar cravings. Blueberries, the tiny but mighty fat fighter. Don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are tiny but mighty when it comes to weight loss. These little berries are packed with fiber and antioxidants, which help fight belly fat and promote a healthy metabolism. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can actually help reduce abdominal fat and lower cholesterol levels, making them a must-have in your summer diet. Blueberry nutritional benefit: it's rich in fiber, high in antioxidants, fights belly fat, promotes healthy metabolism. Cucumbers, the crunchy detoxifier. Last but not least, let's talk about cucumbers. These crunchy, refreshing veggies, yes, they're technically a fruit, are fantastic for detoxifying your body and keeping you hydrated. With their high water content and low calorie count, cucumbers are perfect for snacking and can help reduce bloating, something we all appreciate during swimsuit season. Cucumber nutritional benefit: it's hydrating and low calorie, high in water content, it aids in detoxification, reduces bloating. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to the best summer fruits for effective and delicious weight loss in 2024. Incorporate these into your diet, and you'll not only feel refreshed but also stay on track with your health goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. And remember, healthy living can be as sweet as these summer fruits. See you next time.